started tweaking my diet. And I grew up in South Louisiana. Cornbread, red beans and rice is like gumbo, roux is like just a part of the culture I grew up with.
Same here.
You're looking at the food pyramid, and it's like 12 servings of cereals, grains, And there are mornings where I'd have coffee, and at 2 or 3 hours later, so I'd have coffee at like 11. I get up late. 10, 11 o'clock, and then I would eat at like 1, and I would eat a pound of breakfast sausage that comes from a local farm, by the way, pork, and I would feel great for like 3 or 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours, like completely satiated, completely awesome. What happened was about 2 weeks ago, right around the time I'd called you, I think, I had slowly kind of just tweaked my diet that direction. And I got to a point for about 5 days that I didn't have anything except meat and like fizzy water and maybe some sugar in my coffee in the morning with some cream. And for some reason, I got to a point for about 3 days where I was like, man, my joints don't ache. Like my joints like feel kind of nice. Like I don't ever feel this nice unless I take naproxen. And I've been talking to my mother, who every time I talk to her, it's like, oh baby, my arthritis. And I'm like, Mom, you have to do this. You have to at least try this and see what happens. Because my mother's even diabetic. And I've been like, Mom, I'm telling you, I want you to try this and see what happens, to your body. Like, is it, and I don't know, I'm asking a question. Does it reduce inflammation? And like when I was doing the lemonade diet, was it like spiking sugar levels and like insulin? So everything else was good, but my joints still ached. Because I've never, in 20 years, I don't remember a time when I felt this good just being on air.